That is the sound of nature in humans. Highway noise, the constant drone of the local lobster plant here in Newellton, and nature, and some wind. I can hear it even with earplugs and ear muffs. Really annoying. It's worse than tinnitus. And if you have tinnitus and you live anywhere near 5 miles within a lobster plant here on Cape Sable Island, Nova Scotia, it's twice as bad as having tinnitus, because you get the steady drone of the pumps and condensers plus the tinnitus. So there you go, folks. Infrasound, low frequency noise pollution here on Cape Sable Island, 2022.